Hello friends, welcome to another short episode of Quick Review and Unboxing. Today I will talk about the 1:48 scale Sukhoi Su-25K from Smer. This kit is a rebox of the OAZ Letohrad kit from the 1980s. Later, this kit was reboxed several times from Eduard, Kovozavody Prostov or Mr. Craft. For its age, the kit has still something to offer and is still priceworthy compared to the new Zvezda kit. The model is molded from a white soft plastic. The moldings don't lack details like rivets and negative engraved panel lines. From my discussion with my modeler friends, I know that the fuselage and the air intake fit is not the best. There will be lots of dry fitting, putting and sanding. Some panel lines are too shallow. There will be a need to engrave them a bit deeper. It's a pity that the kit doesn't have any options for folded flaps or open air brakes. The most of the work will be on the air intakes. They look a little bit off, but I will do my best. The wheel wells and the landing gear are simplified. There is need for an upgrade. In fact, I was lucky to buy the Eduard photo edge metal parts from a friendly modeler, so be prepared for a serious major upgrade. I like the wide choice of weapons. The model includes 2 fuel tanks, cannon pods, 2 rocket pods, 2 R-60 air-to-air missiles and 4 bombs. Unfortunately, the clear parts have lots of visible scratches. I will try to sand them down and polish them with polishing paste. The clear parts also include navigation lights, headlights, heads-up display and the visor for the laser rangefinder. On the first page of the instruction manual you can find a short history and technical data of the aircraft in Czech and in English. There is only a color list for Humbrol paints, but no matter, everyone has a color converter these days. The work steps are quite easy to follow. Be careful to not miss anything, you will avoid mistakes. On the last pages is a weapons and technical data placement. The camouflage option is very rich. You can choose from 6 aircraft: a Czechoslovak, Slovak, Iraqi, Ukrainian and 2 Soviet. The waterslide decals look amazing. I don't know if they are good quality, but I will soon find out. Looks like the flame decals are for the later Slovak Su-25 nicknamed Plameniak, or in English, Flamingo. Okay, that's enough for today. More interesting news about the kit I will discuss in the actual build. Until then, keep modeling and stay awesome. Bye!